Hi, I'm Emma. Welcome to my English life. I live in a small town. Today is a beautiful, sunny morning. The sun is shining. The sky is clear and blue. There are a few white clouds, but they look soft and happy. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I open my eyes slowly. My room is warm and full of light. I stretch and smile. I love sunny days. I get out of bed and open the window. A soft breeze comes in. I hear birds singing. Tweet, tweet. It sounds like they are saying, "Good morning, Emma." I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. First, I boil some water for tea. I like green tea in the morning. While the water is boiling, I put some bread in the toaster. I take out honey and butter. I sit by the window and enjoy my tea and toast. A man is walking his dog. Outside, I see people walking. The children are playing with a jump rope. Everyone looks happy.
Whoa! Whoa!
After breakfast, I go to the bathroom and wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and say, "Let's have a good day, Emma." Then I get dressed. I wear a pink t-shirt and jeans. Pink is my favorite color. I take my bag and step outside. The sun touches my face. It feels warm and nice. I take a deep breath. The air smells fresh. I walk to the park near my house. Flowers are blooming. I see red, yellow, and pink flowers. A butterfly flies by. I lie down on the grass and close my eyes. And I say in my mind, "Today is a sunny day." I feel happy. Life is simple. Life is good. And I smile.